Hey guys, so one of the things that we wanted when we were selecting our new family vehicle, as you can see we got the 2021 Volkswagen Atlas, is to have a towing package. While this one does come with a tow hitch, it will tow 5,000 pounds. However, you do need to get an adapter to plug into the factory harness, and if you don't have trailer brakes, you need to get a 7-pin to 4-pin adapter. Which I got all on Amazon. You can get them from your local Volkswagen dealer. I bought them from on Amazon, and I will put the link down in the description down below. So I'll do a quick video of me installing the adapter. It seems pretty straightforward. I'll let you know how it goes. For the install, you're going to need a T25 Torx bit. Mine is at the end of a 1/4-inch ratchet, so you can use, like a driver if you want, whatever works for you.
Alright guys, so here is the finished product. Came out pretty nice. One thing I didn't go over, and I probably should have, was this is the piece that you have to take out. The plug is actually attached to the back of this. Right there. My children in the background. And there's a little red locking tab that you have to pop out. Here's the adapter that I got. It's from Pollak again. I bought this on Amazon. Sorry about the background noise. It is early, so there's a lot of traffic. Anyway, so here's the adapter that I got. It just clips in here, and it goes from this 7-pin adapter to a 4-pin adapter, which is behind this cover. So thanks for watching, and click the like and subscribe button and ring that notification bell and keep you up to date on future channel updates.